Keeping your dishes clean can take up a lot of time, especially in a busy household. But with a countertop dishwasher, you can save valuable time and energy, making dishwashing as simple as pressing a button. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Top Picks today. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 best countertop dishwashers available right now, each designed to fit seamlessly into your kitchen, RV, or dorm. These models offer a range of convenient features, from quick washing cycles to space-saving designs, ensuring your dishes are sparkling clean with minimal effort. You'll find all the product links mentioned in the video in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher. Starting our list at number 5, the Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher offers a convenient and compact solution for smaller spaces, making it perfect for apartments, dorms, boats, and RVs. This portable dishwasher features 5 versatile washing programs: Standard, Fast, Eco, Strong, and Fruit Cleaning. It also includes 2 water supply modes, a built-in 5L water tank for quick and easy use, or a faucet connection for more continuous water flow. With a 4-place setting capacity, it fits dishes up to 10.25 inches, and its dual high-pressure spraying arms deliver a deep clean with streak-free results. The top and bottom spray arms, featuring 14 sprayer holes, offer 360 degrees cleaning coverage, ensuring every dish gets thoroughly washed. Other standout features include an intelligent drying system, a ventilated outlet to keep the interior dry after the wash, and a touch control panel for easy operation. The dishwasher also has an interruption protection system, which pauses the wash cycle if the door is opened, ensuring added safety. Plus, it efficiently cleans fruits and vegetables with its dedicated fruit washing program and basket. Number 4. EUHOMY Countertop Dishwasher. In the 4th position, the EUHOMY Countertop Dishwasher combines portability with powerful performance, ideal for small spaces like apartments, RVs, dormitories, and more. This compact dishwasher can clean over 30 pieces of dishware in a single load and accommodates plates up to 10.25 inches. Its sleek design includes a transparent viewing window, a blue LED observation light, and an LED display control panel, giving you easy control and monitoring throughout each cycle. With 2-way water filling, you can either use the built-in 5-liter tank or connect directly to your faucet, making setup hassle-free. The EUHOMY dishwasher offers 5 versatile washing programs: Normal, Quick, Eco, Strong, and Fruit mode, along with a specialized drying mode for optimal cleanliness. The Strong mode heats up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for sanitizing baby items and tackling greasy dishes, while dual 360 degrees spray arms ensure deep, thorough cleaning from every angle. Other features include a spacious interior with wheels for easy maneuvering, and the drying mode includes 60 minutes of hot air drying followed by 72 hours of ventilation to keep dishes dry and odor-free. This eco-friendly dishwasher uses only 5 liters of water per cycle, offering significant savings in water and energy use. Number 3. AIRMSEN Countertop Dishwashers. In the 3rd position, the AirMesen countertop dishwasher offers compact convenience with an impressive capacity, able to wash over 40 items, including plates up to 12 inches, angled for fit, making it ideal for homes, apartments, RVs, and dorms. This portable dishwasher features dual water modes, a 5L built-in tank for manual filling, and a faucet connection option, providing flexibility for any kitchen setup. Equipped with 5 wash programs, Normal, Speed, Glass, Baby Care, and Fruit, plus additional drying modes, the AIRMSEN dishwasher ensures a thorough cleaning for various needs. The Baby Care mode reaches up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for sanitizing baby bottles, while the Fruit Wash mode is perfect for produce. Its dual 360 degrees spray arms and high-pressure jets target tough stains, leaving dishes spotless. The unit features advanced drying capabilities, including 60 minutes of PTC hot air drying, followed by a 72-hour ventilated storage mode to keep dishes dry and odor-free. A triple filter system and a dedicated cutlery basket add to its convenience, and the LED touchscreen display makes it easy to select programs. Designed to be energy and water efficient, it uses only 5 L of water per cycle. Number 2. Hava Countertop Dishwasher. In the second position, the Hava Countertop Dishwasher offers compact convenience and impressive functionality for kitchens, apartments, dorms, and RVs. This portable unit features 2 water supply modes, a 5-liter built-in water tank for manual filling or a faucet connection option. It holds up to 4 full-place settings and can wash a variety of dishes, including plates up to 11 inches. The Hava dishwasher includes 6 programs: normal, speed, soft, heavy baby care, fruit, and dry modes to cover all your dishwashing needs. Baby care mode heats water up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit for sanitizing baby bottles, while fruit mode is perfect for washing produce. Its powerful 14 water ports and 360 degrees top and bottom spraying arms ensure a thorough clean from all angles. Operating ultra quietly, 50-60 decibels, the Hava dishwasher also features a quick 29-minute wash cycle. It is energy efficient, using only 5 liters of water per cycle, and includes PTC hot air drying, with 72 hours of ventilated storage to keep your dishes dry and odor-free. The LED control panel makes program selection easy, and its compact size is perfect for small spaces like kitchens, RVs, and even camping. Compatible with all forms of detergent, this dishwasher offers versatility and reliability for everyday use. Number 1. Comfy Countertop Dishwasher. Winning the top spot as a luxury option, the Comfy Countertop Dishwasher is perfect for small households, dorms, apartments, and RVs. It fits up to 70 pieces of tableware and accommodates dishes up to 10 inches in diameter. With 8 washing programs, including heavy, normal, baby care, eco, glass, speed, mini party, and rinse, it meets all your dishwashing needs. The heavy program offers 360 degrees spray and high temperature for tough stains, while the speed program cleans in just 45 minutes. The delicate glass care cycle ensures gentle cleaning of delicate items. The Energy Star compliant design uses just 2.77 gallons of water per cycle. It features a removable cutlery basket, a 10-inch larger dish rack, and versatile cup shelves with a slope cup rack. You can place it next to your cookware, in the dining room, or fit it into a kitchen cabinet. The 70 degrees Fahrenheit high-temp intensive cycle and easy faucet installation provide convenience and efficiency for any home setup. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best countertop dishwashers on the market. Whether you're looking for quick washing cycles, energy efficiency, or compact designs that fit perfectly in small spaces, these models offer great solutions for busy households, RVs, and dorms alike. Each of these dishwashers brings something unique to the table, helping you save time and effort while ensuring your dishes come out sparkling clean. You'll find links to all the products mentioned in the description below. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment to support the channel, and stay tuned to Top Picks Today for more tech reviews and buying guides. Until next time.